This lesson is going to be over finding area of other shapes, such as rectangles, trapezoids, and parallelograms. Alright, the first thing we're going to talk about is the area of rectangles, and we had talked about the area before in previous lessons, and to find the area of a rectangle, it's just base times height, or length times width is what we usually see. So we usually see area equals length times width, and so that means the length times the width would be the area. So let's practice. A farmer would like to take a square pen for his make a square pen for his chickens. If each side of the pen is 8 feet, how much area will the chickens have? Well, first of all, I like to draw all of my stuff. So it says there it's a square pen, and so we know because it's square, all sides are equal. So that means that each side is 8. It also says how much area will the chickens have, so we need to use the formula area equals length times width. And remember that you need to use your math reference sheet, because in the math reference sheet it has all the area formulas for you to know, so that make sure that's handy at all times when you're doing your math work. So length times width, so we just need to pick one length and one width. So that would be 8 times 8. Remember, this is feet. So this is 64 square feet. So that's how much area the chickens will have, 64 square feet. Alright, let's find the area of a rug with the dimensions 30 inches by 4 feet. So we have 30 inches by 4 feet. It doesn't matter if it's not right. Now in this section though, we have 4 feet and we have 30 inches. Well, because we have 4 feet and 30 inches, we cannot multiply them together because they're not the same unit. So we need to either change 4 feet into inches or 30 inches into feet. So if we wanted to change 4 feet into inches, we know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So we would do 4 times 12, which is 48 inches. So our new dimensions would be 48 inches. So now 48 times 30 is 1,440 inches. So there we go, 1,440 inches squared. Now if you wanted that in feet, you know that there are it's 1 foot and 12 inches. So I'm sorry, there's 12 inches in 1 foot, so we're going to divide by 12. $120 feet. Alright, area of parallelograms. Well, the area of a parallelogram is the base times the height, and the height will usually be given here in this dotted line. So if we have this, it says what is the area of this parallelogram? Well, this is base or length, width, height. So it's area equals base times height. So that would be 20 times 8, which is 160. It says the perimeter of a parallelogram below is 52 centimeters. Find the area. Alright, well, if the area formula is base times height, and as you can see right here, we don't know what the base is. But we do know that it's 52 centimeters is the perimeter. And we know that this is 9 centimeters, and this has to be 9 centimeters. So we know together that's 18 centimeters. and it has to be 52. So what's left? So 34 is left. So we have to split this 34 into 2. So that's 17 inches on both sides. So now we know the base. So the base is 17. The height is 7. So 7 times 17. 7 times 7 is 49. Carry your 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the area is 119 centimeters squared. Area of a triangle. The area of the triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So 1/2 the base times the height. It says find the area of this triangle. Well, area equals 1/2 the base times the height. So we have 1/2, the base is 9, and the height is 15. So on your calculator, you are going to hit 1/2, which it's the ABC button, so you're going to hit 1, A, B/C, 2, parenthesis, 9, parenthesis, 15 equals. We should get 67 and 1/2. Squared. Alright, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 36 inches. The height is 31 inches. Find the area of the triangle. Well, it says equilateral, so that means all sides are the same. So it says it's 36 inches, so to find each side, we would divide by 3. So this would be 12, 12, and 12 inches. So, and then the height, they said, is 31. So area is 1/2 the base times the height, which you do not have to remember because it's on our formula sheet. So 1/2 the base, parenthesis, 12 times 31. So on your calculator, you can hit either 0.5, because that's 1/2, or 1, A, B/C, parenthesis, 12, parenthesis, 31. One 186 inches squared. Alright, hopefully this has helped you understand how to find the area of other shapes. If you have any other questions, contact your teacher.